These are the sounds of hell. In the year 1970, scientists from the Soviet Union wanted to drill down into our Earth's surface as far as possible to learn more about our Earth's crust. And they dug this hole for almost 2 decades and they managed to dig down more than 7.5 miles. They had to stop digging when they hit a cavern, but this is when things got weird. The scientists then were curious of what it sounded like down there, so they dropped a heat-tolerant microphone down the hole. 7.5 miles underneath the Earth, the temperatures reached 2,000 degrees and they only got about 17 seconds of audio before the microphone melted. But what they heard were the sounds of hell.